Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at an often overlooked, but absolutely essential accessory for anyone who owns the Wolverine Data PASS-100 portable battery-powered hand-held document scanner, the UpBright new USB cable data PC cord. While it might seem like just another cable, for a device as crucial as a portable scanner, having the right connection is paramount to its functionality and the integrity of your scanned documents. This particular UpBright USB cable is specifically designed as a direct replacement or an upgrade for the Wolverine Data PASS-100. This dedicated compatibility is a significant advantage, as it eliminates the guesswork and potential issues that can arise from using generic, ill-fitting cables. When dealing with sensitive data transfer from a scanner, a precise and secure connection is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. The primary function of this cable is, of course, data transfer. It facilitates the seamless movement of your scanned documents from the Wolverine PASS-100 to your PC. Users can expect a stable and efficient connection, ensuring that files are transferred quickly and without corruption. For professionals or individuals who rely on their portable scanner for on-the-go document capture, the reliability of this data link is invaluable. Imagine scanning dozens of important documents, only to find that a faulty cable prevents their proper transfer, a frustrating scenario that this UpBright cord aims to prevent. Beyond data, this USB cable also serves a vital role in powering and charging the Wolverine PASS-100. A portable device is only as good as its power source, and a reliable charging cable ensures that the scanner is always ready for action. The UpBright cable is engineered to provide consistent power, allowing the scanner to operate efficiently and recharge its battery without interruption. This dual functionality, both data and power, makes it an indispensable tool for maintaining the scanner's operational readiness. Regarding its construction, UpBright is known for producing quality replacement accessories, and this USB cable appears to uphold that standard. One can anticipate a durable build, featuring robust connectors that fit snugly into the scanner and the computer's USB port. The cable itself is typically designed to be flexible yet resilient, capable of withstanding the bends and stresses of regular use, especially for a portable device that might be frequently packed and unpacked. This attention to durability helps to extend the lifespan of the cable, offering long-term reliability. In essence, for any owner of the Wolverine Data PASS-100, investing in a high-quality, purpose-built USB cable like this UpBright offering is a smart decision. It ensures that the scanner performs at its best, providing reliable data transfer and consistent power. It's the kind of accessory that, while simple, profoundly impacts the overall user experience by removing potential points of failure and ensuring that your valuable scanned information is always accessible. This cable truly enhances the utility of the Wolverine PASS-100, making it a more dependable tool for all your document scanning needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.